Good evening and welcome to another blog. Today I will unbox myTVS tire inflator. It's the digital type tire inflator and I have procured it from mytvs.com. In fact, they were providing a good discount, so that's why I procured from mytvs.com, and I will unbox this product, and after unboxing I will give you a demo and a review of this particular product. In fact, I had a tire inflator which is no more in good shape, so I was searching for a new tire inflator, and after a lot of research I have purchased this myTVS tire inflator. So let's unbox it. It has been nicely packed and the courier has just delivered this product yesterday afternoon and I didn't get any time to unbox it. So it has been nicely packed, so let me bring it out. So this is the product. This is Ti86 model. There are different models, but this time I always prefer a digital one, and this particular model has auto stop feature, which was very important for my purchase decision. And this is the bill from myTVS, and I purchased it for 2398, so it's around 2400 rupees. Let's bring out the product. Okay, they are giving a nice bag with this product, so it's very handy to keep it inside the car. And let's see how the product looks. There lies the product. Okay, these are the extra nozzles you are getting with this particular tire inflator for different type of attachments such as balloons or cycles. They also provide you a spare fuse. This is a instruction manual. This is the instruction manual, and these are, it's an ad, what are the products they are selling at this moment. Here is your instruction manual. And here lies the warranty card. So let's keep them aside and let's see the product. The product is quite portable and it's very handy, it seems to be, and it's not that much heavy what I have thought. So it's quite lightweight, and so the portability is there. And this is the air pressure nozzle. And this air pressure nozzle is quite long enough, so it will be easy for you to reach to the tires. And here you have the tire pressure nozzle, which is a threaded type. My previous one also threaded type, and I prefer the threaded type more than the press type one. And this is the connector wire that goes to your 12-volt socket. Another important feature to note that they are providing 1 + 1 year warranty, so you need to register in their website for that extended 1 year warranty. So that's a good thing. You are getting a peace of mind for 2 years, so that is also a plus point to be noted. So this is the wire, and it is quite long enough, and so you can easily connect to any bigger vehicle also, if it is an SUV or a big sedan, so that won't be a problem for this. So that is the quick unboxing, and let's go to the car and let me show you the product demonstration and review. So now let us check in the car how much time it takes to inflate. And one thing you should always remember, that the tire pressure should be always given early in the morning before you set up any journey, as you know, if the car runs a few kilometers, it will add a couple of pounds. So the best practice is to give tire pressure before starting your journey, and early in the morning is the most preferred time. So let us inflate the tires. Before adding your tire pressure, always start your car, as it will consume a good amount of battery power. So the best practice is to start your car in neutral and then attach your pump. I have attached the pump and it is showing the current pressure. I will set it at 33 to 34. Let me check the pressure first. So the current pressure is at 29. It is around 30. So let me set the pump. I will keep it at 35. Now let me operate the pump. Okay, so I have set at 34.5. So it has stopped at 34.5. Okay, so it has stopped at 34. The pump is reasonably fast. Let us try the other two tires. Okay, so it has stopped at 34. The floor is very dirty, that's why I have kept it in my hand. So from 28.5 to 34, it inflates in few seconds practically, and the pump is reasonably fast. Also the wear is sufficiently long to give pressure to your Stepney from inside. So it is quite long enough so that you can give tire pressure to your Stepney tire also. So let me set again. Okay, it is set at 35. The present pressure is at 28. So let us see. Also we'll check in the stopwatch how much time it takes to raise to 35. Fitted with a LED torch, so you can easily work in dark areas. It has a dedicated torch also if you don't need the pump, so that's a good thing. So this is how the TVS myTVS tire inflator works, this particular Ti86 model. And another thing is that why I chose this pump. Most of the pumps that come available in the market are of plastic body, but here the compressor is of metal body, which gives a sturdier performance. So that was also another reason why I chose TVS. So thank you friends, and this is the short review of my TVS tire pump, and hope you have liked the video. And if you have liked the video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye.